Hi Bhuvan,
Yeah, hi.
how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Where are you from?
I am from Uttarakhand.
Okay,
Yeah,
wow. So
and
as
what's
we
about you?
know that Uttarakhand is a very beautiful state. It has
Yeah,
many beautiful places, tourist places, right?
right, 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 right. And
Okay.
it is, yeah, and Uttarakhand is also known as Devbhumi.
Yeah, yeah, right. Because
Right.
there are four dhams. So please tell me the first five most beautiful places to visit in Uttarakhand.
Like there are many places. There are many famous
Yeah.
places to visit. But
Okay.
yeah, like Nainital, we all know about Nainital, and you
Yeah.
already heard about, I think, Nainital, Masuri,
Yeah. Yeah.
Masuri, which is also known as a Queen of Mountain.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah. I
Kosa,
have heard it. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, Kosani. Kosani is known as mini Switzerland. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And apart from this, there are many famous places in Gadwal region, like
Yeah.
uh, like Valley of Flower,
Yeah. Yeah.
and Kedarnath, Badrinath also.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and Lansdowne. Like there are many places to visit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So, do you
And
like
as we
nature?
know,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, of course, I like very most. And as we know that it means there is its own tradition and custom there in
Yeah.
Uttarakhand
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
because
Yeah. Definitely.
yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
it has its own dresses, right?
Yeah, sometimes, yeah, like if I would talk about now, like this generation. So, like if I
Yeah,
would talk about myself, so usually I do not I do not wear like our traditional dresses, but yeah, our ancestor, our old age people,
yeah,
they also wear kurta pajama with a cap. So they wear
okay,
cap, yeah, topi like, yeah. So
yeah, yeah,
they
top.
yeah, so they wear,
Because some days ago I means I had seen a man, okay, who
mhm,
was wearing a topi. Then I asked
yeah,
him that from where did you buy it? Then he
uh-huh,
told me that from Uttarakhand when he went to Badrinath or some dham that time.
yeah, 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 yeah,
That's
yeah.
why I know.
Right. Yeah,
Okay.
so we have
So
our
one,
custom.
so one,
Mhm.
tell me one thing. Just like we dream, okay, that if we get chance, then we will go.
Yeah.
So you are already there. So means do you feel any like interest to go there to visit?
No, actually, the first thing is that like I born and brought up here. So
Yeah,
these are so these things are very normal to me, very normal.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
like when I wake up, so I see mountains,
yeah,
I see trees, I see
yeah,
rivers. So this is very
yeah.
normal to me. So this is very normal
Okay.
for me. But yeah, if
Yeah,
someone is coming from metro cities, so
yeah,
it can be very new for them.
yeah, yeah,
But I think yeah, we are blessed with nature, and I'm very
yeah,
lucky. And
yeah, yeah. Right.
I born here, so I'm very lucky. I feel very lucky actually.
Yeah, yeah. Means you will be living in the lap of nature.
Yeah, right, right,
Yeah,
right.
it's
Yeah,
beautiful. Yeah.
yeah.
Actually, Jharkhand has also many places, okay, many natural places here. And it
Jharkhand.
is famous for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes. Okay, there are many caste, tribes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah,
That's why.
so Ranchi. So have you
Yeah,
ever
yeah,
gone
Ranchi.
Ranchi? Ranchi, have you
Yeah,
ever
of
gone
course,
Ranchi?
of course, of course. I have been many times in Ranchi.
And Dhoni is also from Ranchi.
Yeah, yeah, I know.
So have you ever
Yeah,
meet?
I have seen his house.
Okay, okay. So have you ever meet him?
No, actually, not really.
Okay,
But I have seen him. Okay.
okay. You have seen him.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
do you know? I think there is a famous breed, chicken breed called Kadaknath.
Yeah, yeah, I know. It is
So
found in Uttarakhand.
no, it is not found in Uttarakhand. It is, I
It
think,
is in Madhya
from
Pradesh, I think. Madhya Pradesh.
oh
Yeah.
yeah. And once in a time, BCCI also recommend like
Yeah.
our players should take Kadaknath.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, because Kadaknath is very high protein and
Yeah,
and very and less fat.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, so it is
right.
very good. Yeah, so it is very good for our health and good for
Yeah,
our immunity. Yeah,
yeah. I wish to go your state. So do you wish to come in my state?
yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah, I want to. Yeah, actually, I want to visit all around the world
Eh?
and yeah, yeah. And first of all, I want to visit all the state of India, all the state. Yeah. So
Okay.
if so, like, what is the famous food in Jharkhand? If someone is want to come Jharkhand, so what is the famous places where he visits, where
Yeah,
he can visit, and what is the street food which is very famous in your state?
yeah, yeah. Actually, look, the foods means varies. Okay, according to the region. Okay,
Okay.
there is no certain food, but
Hmm?
in each and every state, okay, in few region, you may find idli, dosa, okay, in breakfast.
Okay.
Okay, and there are some hotels there we you means can find means rice and chapatis, chicken,
Yep.
that
Yeah.
is okay. And if there is some region, okay, if you go there, then you will find their ghugni mudi.
Ghuguli mudi.
Yeah,
What is what is it?
it is a breakfast. Okay, it is means made by the means grain. Okay, it is
Okay.
very nice. Yeah, its taste is means you can't forget if you get once.
Okay. Uh, okay. So it is very famous in your state.
Yeah, not in full state. Okay, I already told you that it
Yeah, but
varies according to
yeah.
the place.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So yes, like some places
yeah.
it is very
Because
famous.
nowadays, presently, I live in Jamshedpur. Okay, so in Jamshedpur, the idli dosa is famous for breakfast.
Idli dosa.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Jamshedpur means Tata.
yeah, yeah. Tata.
Yeah. I think many people know Jamshedpur as Tata. No, by
Yeah, yeah,
Tata. Tata.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you can find many places, okay, where Tata is written, not Jamshedpur, only Tata, and many places the both are written.
Okay.
I think, brother, you wish to means visit many places as you already told that you like to visit all over the world, around the world.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
think that's why you are learning English language, or what is the reason behind that?
Yeah. First reason is that yeah, like English is the thing which I learned from my heart because I love this language.
Okay,
So yeah. So this
okay,
is the this is the first thing. Yeah. Apart from this, that yeah, I want to explore all around the world. So English is
yeah,
a global language. we
yeah,
all know we all know very well if we
yeah,
have a good command on English and if we are
yeah,
able to understand or able to speak
yeah,
this language, so I think we can easily survive everywhere.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so this is my personal opinion about
Okay.
English. Yeah. and and like what do you think, why it is important?
Yeah, because it is very important to visit anywhere because you know that Hindi or any language it not possible. Okay, to means convey our message to everyone. But
Yeah.
if we means learn English language, then we can means we can convey our message to anyone. Okay,
Right.
around the world. Yeah, that's why. So
Yeah, yeah,
what do
right.
you think that are you able now to means visit any places or are you able to communicate with someone with foreigner
Yeah.
or from
Yeah.
whether they are
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah. Yeah, I think right now I feel like yeah, I am able to understand and even I am able to convey my message to anyone. So yeah, right now, but yeah, sometimes suppose if I go like suppose British country. So yeah,
okay
British accent is hard to understand. But
yeah
yeah, over the time I think I will
okay
conquer this accent. Yeah, but yeah, right now, like I'm able to speak and I'm able to understand. So there is no problem. I can communicate with anyone.
okay I
Yeah,
also think that I can means convey my message to anyone right now.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Like yeah, yeah.
actually I will find some means difficult, okay,
Mhm.
but I think that I somehow I will manage it. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Because
Yeah,
there are many foreigners, okay, they
Yes.
used to talk, don't know how it is their means pronunciation. Okay, it's
Yeah.
means weird. Okay, it's not so easy to understand,
Yeah.
but
Right.
somehow when I means listen carefully, I
Mhm.
can understand it.
Now I think we are in position like we can convey our message.
Means there are two type of English language. Okay,
Hmm.
one is American language, American English, and the other is British English. Okay,
Yeah.
so means what type of language do you like?
I like both. I
Both.
like both. Yeah, as well as I like our accent, our Indian accent.
Yeah,
Yeah, our Indian accent. Some people of our Indians they speak very clear. They have very good accent, a very
yeah,
good
yeah,
accent. Yeah, because if I would talk about like there are two accents like American or British, so they have been speaking English for many years.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, for many years. So they have different accent. And
yeah,
if suppose like I have been speaking English
yeah, yeah, right.
since my childhood. So if someone foreigner want to
Yeah,
learn Hindi,
yeah,
so
yeah,
like he can't get my accent.
yeah,
Maybe he can learn Hindi,
yeah,
but
yeah,
he but like he will take a lot of effort, a lot of time to
yeah,
get my
yeah,
accent. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So it is.
Actually,
Mhm.
two languages are same. Okay, but thing is that their pronoun means pronunciation is some different.
Yeah,
Okay,
this is the
yeah,
main thing. Yeah,
they pronounce
yeah,
some differently. That's why it is a problem. But I don't think that it will remain as a
yeah,
problem after some decades. Okay,
yeah,
because we know very well that means in means ancient time the
yeah.
British English used to means reign the world. Okay, but I think now American has become a means dictatorate country. Okay, now it is spreading means its uh, means wings. Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I think that the American English will be famous after some times, right?
yeah. And the good thing is that American accent is very easy to understand. We can understand very easily when we listen American song,
Yeah,
American news channels. So
yeah,
it is very easy to understand. But yeah, sometimes a British accent, sometimes it is very hard to understand.
yeah, yeah.
Like they pronounce
But
very
sometimes
differently. While
sometimes I realize that they don't speak clearly. Okay,
yeah, because we can't get it.
they don't want to speak clearly. It is the thing. Actually,
Yeah,
if
because
they speak means clearly or means formally, okay, then I think I will be means able to understand all the thing.
yeah, because they are native.
But
They are
sometimes I
native.
don't get it. Don't
Yeah,
know why.
the same thing has happened with me many times. Same thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Right. So,
But yeah.
brother, do you
Mhm.
listen song, English song?
Mm, yeah, I listen English song. I listen to podcast. Yeah, because listening is, but yeah, because listening is also very useful. If someone
Yeah,
want to learn any language, so
yeah,
listening play a very crucial role to learn
yeah,
any
right.
language. Yeah, any language. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. So yeah. So what about you? Do you listen or not?
Actually, I listen sometimes, okay, but I don't think that I can understand the English song.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. Same thing is
I
here. Like
get
some.
subtitle, okay, if I get subtitle, then I
Uh,
can understand the English song also. Okay, but thing is that I don't think that they speak so means clearly.
yeah, and sometimes
but I
sometimes
but I can understand the English movies very clearly.
okay. Like with the help of subtitle.
No, I don't need any subtitle. But the problem is that I don't get so much time to watch English movies or any movies. But really, I honestly, if I means say honestly, okay, it
Mhm.
is I think 1 year. Okay, I haven't seen any movies, full movies. Yeah.
It has been a long time.
Yeah, yeah. Because whenever I get time, I used to give the time in my study or another thing, but I don't want to means waste of my time by watching movies. Don't know why.
Yeah, so
And
it is, yes.
I have already stopped playing any type of game.
Okay. Yeah, so like, yeah, like you should play at least one game because it's also very good for our physical exercise. Because,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah,
But
but you are,
but
mhm.
physical health, I used to go ground in the morning daily. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay. So every day you go to ground every day?
Yeah, yeah, right. Every
Yeah,
day.
yeah,
Okay.
like, mhm. Like physical health is also very important. When we are
Yeah,
physically fit, then we can devote our all time to learn.
yeah,
Like we should maintain both the things, physical
yeah.
health as well as mental health. Both are important to grow.
Yeah, both
Yeah,
are important, but somewhere I think that both are connected to each other.
right.
Okay.
Mhm.
Because if you keep your physical fit, then I think your my mental fit will be means okay.
Absolutely, absolutely. When you are
Yeah,
physical fit, then you
yeah,
can think very right things, and
yeah,
you can, yeah, and you can do very fast
yeah,
everything when you are physically fit. And
yeah,
suppose when we ill, whenever we ill, so that
yeah,
time like that time we feel no, like if we suppose we try to study, but we
yeah,
don't. Yeah.
yeah,
So physical health is
yeah,
also very, very, very important, I think.
yeah, yeah. And
Yeah.
what about you? Do you play any game?
Mm, yeah, sometime I play badminton, and
Yeah.
apart from that, yeah, every day I do yoga.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Actually, yoga is a very nice thing. Okay, but thing is that yoga, I feel very boring whenever I tried to do yoga. Don't know why.
Yeah. And because yeah, I have been doing yoga, I think past 6 to 7 months,
Yeah.
6 to 7 months. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is very useful and it is very good when I do yoga on daily basis. So I feel very good actually. Yeah.
Okay.
And
So is
yoga
it
is
benefiting you? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it is very beneficial for me, and it
Yeah.
also helps me. It also helps me to increase my mental
Okay.
what we can say, like it helped me,
Okay.
and yeah, and it reduced my mental stress.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, I know.
yeah.
So, brother, since when have you been learning English language?
If I would talk about like past 4 to 5 months, I have been learning English. So yeah, that time I joined some virtual platform like
Yeah.
Cambly, Clappingo,
Yeah.
Cambly, Clappingo. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah, right.
one thing I did realize over the time, the
Yeah.
thing is that you have to practice. If you
Yeah,
want
right.
to this language, there
Yeah.
is no hard and there is no hard and fast rule. You have to give
Yeah,
your
yeah, right.
time.
Yeah,
Yeah, you will
right.
have.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So
And
yeah.
that's why we have to join that type of virtuous classes.
Yeah, yeah, right, right. It is very important. It is very important.
Uh,
Like
yeah.
everyday practice.
And because due to lockdown, it is not possible to go attend a physical class, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah, we
that's
all know
why
very
we
well.
have to attend virtual class.
Yeah,
There is
yeah,
no way.
yeah, and it is very good. Like
Yeah.
right now you are sitting in Jharkhand. I am sitting
Yeah.
in Uttarakhand. So
Yeah.
we are connected. We are
Yeah.
connected
Right.
through virtual, through internet. Yeah, so it is
Yeah.
very good thing. I think it is very good thing.
Yeah.
Like according to
Since you,
mhm.
yeah, since you have been learning the English language for 3 to 4 months, but you means you are really good at English language.
No, actually I'm not good. Yeah, but I'm trying to be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if I would say
Yeah.
like, yeah, if I would say literally, when I start to speak, so I
Yeah.
remember those days like, uh, if I call someone, so I say
Yeah.
only hello, only
Yeah.
hello. Like I
Yeah.
say hello. If other person say yeah,
Yeah.
hi, how are you, and what are you doing
Yeah.
nowadays, like this kind of stuff. So I cut the call.
Means
I
same
used
thing.
I used to cut the
You used
call.
to talk the same thing, same question, same answer. Right.
Yeah, and I used to cut the call like,
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
not my cup of food. like
But now you
yeah,
have
like
now, but now you have become creative, right?
yeah, yeah, like yeah, yeah. So that time I thought like this is not my cup of tea. Like he is speaking very fast. He's speaking very
Yeah,
clear. So yeah, I
yeah,
am not able to. I'm not able to learn this language. So I cut the call. But
yeah,
over the
yeah,
time when I did practice, when I devote my time to learn languages,
yeah,
in this
yeah,
language, and when I
yeah,
talk with many people, when I learn
yeah,
some grammar, when I learn some vocab. So now I think I would say I am able to talk with anyone right now.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because it takes
But the
time.
thing, you know
Hmm.
that actually I think that I am able to speak with anyone.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, you are.
and I
Yeah.
think my English is some good, but I try to learn the formal language. Okay, the formal English language, because now I think that what I am means what the language I am speaking now, it's
Mhm.
not formal. What do you think?
No, it's
Because
formal. I
I
think it's
think
formal.
formal language, I think it's different. Okay,
Like formal
what do
means,
you think?
like formal means
Formal means yes, yeah, it is used in just in big meeting or anywhere. Okay, when you are addressing somewhere. Okay,
yeah. So
what do you think? Yeah,
yeah, like we need more practice. We need more
yeah,
practice. The main thing is
yeah,
that we are speaking 1 hour in English, and we are thinking that we get fluent. We will get
yeah,
fluent to speak
yeah,
in 1 hour. So I think we have to increase our time period.
yeah, yeah, right.
We have to increase our time period, and suppose like whenever you got time, whenever.
Yeah,
So even what are you doing? Suppose what are you watching on YouTube? What are you listening?
yeah,
So just
yeah,
convert. So just convert.
yeah,
If you are watching in Hindi, convert in English.
yeah,
If you
yeah,
are watching some other languages, so
yeah,
convert all the things into English.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
yeah, like we will have to use to. We will use to.
yeah,
We
yeah,
will have to use to this language. Then we
yeah,
can then we can be fluent. I think.
yeah, yeah. But
Yeah.
brother, as we
Hmm.
know, it is said that
Yeah.
those who means come from the Hindi medium, okay,
Mhm.
their background is Hindi,
Yeah.
okay, so they feel very hard to learn English language. And those who come from English medium, or sometimes they used to listen English language, they learn English language very easily. Okay, they don't find so hard. So what do you think?
Yeah, it is true. It is true
Yeah,
and it is truth, and we can't deny it. Because
yeah,
we learned English as a subject in our school days, and
yeah,
they learned English like, and they learned Hindi as a subject, only as a subject in their school
okay,
days. Yeah,
yeah,
so yeah, and so yeah, it is true. It is true. It is very hard. It is like it is not too hard, but yeah, it is
yeah,
hard. It is hard.
yeah,
It is hard to learn English
yeah,
if someone's from Hindi background, because we all
yeah,
know, because we are from Hindi background.
yeah,
Yeah, so we all know, we like if we want to learn this language, so
yeah,
we have to devote our time.
yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's good.
yeah, yeah.
And actually, that means the means a student means
Hmm.
feels means more difficult to learn if they are belong to means Hindi medium, right?
Yeah, I think, I think, like suppose, if suppose there's a guy,
Yeah,
suppose we have two guys, one is
yeah,
from Hindi background and
yeah,
one is from English background. And
yeah,
if you say please learn, and if you will say both of them
yeah,
like you will have to learn
yeah,
French. So that
yeah, yeah,
time, yeah, so that time both are same level, both
yeah,
are same level, both are same
yeah,
level, and same difficulty they will face,
yeah, right, right.
because he don't know, the English background guy don't know French, and Hindi
Yeah,
background guy also
yeah,
don't know about French. Yeah, so
yeah, yeah, yeah,
that time level is same.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
but
yeah, right. Because
yeah,
they don't have the English environment to listen, to observe the rules, the word meanings, right? That's why I think they
Yeah,
are
right.
facing so many difficulties.
Yeah, right, right.
And one another thing that I realize, okay, because the Hindi medium students or they belong to very means rural area, okay, there they means they used to listen many language, okay, so somehow I think they are getting confused, okay, to observe the language, because they don't use one language, okay,
Yeah.
they feel bound to expert in many language, okay.
Yeah,
Because you are in Uttarakhand, so there may be some means regional language, okay,
yeah, just
and
yeah,
if you will not be expert in your language, then people will say देखो देखो बड़का आया अंग्रेज वाला. Right, they don't even respect means their language, it will be said. What do you think?
yeah, yeah. It is right, and it is completely true. Yeah, yeah. Like everyone. If suppose someone is like I am from Uttarakhand, so my regional language is Kumaoni. So I think
Yeah,
everyone, like every
yeah,
person, should learn their regional language.
yeah, yeah, right.
Like it is our, it is our recognition. We recognize through
Yeah,
our language,
yeah,
through our regional language. So like
yeah,
I am very expert. I am very expert
yeah,
in my regional language. Very expert.
yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah. And sometimes, yeah,
Actually, everybody is expert in their regional language, in their mother tongue, right?
yeah, yeah, and sometimes whenever I when I was in Delhi, so that time
Yeah,
whenever me and my friends,
yeah,
when we used to go with metro, when we
yeah,
used to go metro, so that
yeah,
time inside metro
yeah,
we used to speak our regional
yeah,
language. So it is very
yeah.
comfortable. It is very comfortable that time.
Because they were unable to understand your language.
Yeah,
Yeah, right, right.
yeah,
So
and yeah,
what did you used to do there in Mumbai?
Delhi, Delhi,
Yeah,
Delhi.
sorry, Delhi. Yeah,
Yeah, actually, when I was in Delhi, so that time I was taking coaching from there, and
yeah,
yeah, and apart from that, oh sorry, hello, yeah,
yeah, yeah. Hello,
yeah,
it's okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, and apart from that, also I was doing job there,
okay.
yeah,
So what
yeah,
type of job means were you doing there?
yeah. I used to work in a finance company,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
I think
but
it is the means finance like just like you make just like EMI department loan.
like yeah, loan department, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
basically, yeah. Yeah, basically, we used to
yeah.
provide loan. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay, okay.
But due to
So
lockdown,
brother, yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Okay, brother. Then we
yeah,
should I think stop now. Okay.
yeah,
Otherwise our
definitely.
video will be very long.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay then meet you again and thank you for
yeah,
talking.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
bye bye. Take care. Keep learning. Keep practicing.
Okay, okay. You too. Bye.
Bye bye.